Bay 11.
I sent you my position 3 weeks ago. I told you this was happening.
We'll discuss that in private, Doctor. Palmer.
What has she done? How far has it already gone?
Good work, Osiris.
What do you think that's about?
I haven't seen Chief press himself like this since we were in boot camp.
He's fine, Fred.
And this many missions non-stop isn't fun.
Sierra 117 to Infinity. Blue team has located Argent Moon. Signs of hostile activity, but she's still here.
Copy that, 117. Eliminate all hostiles. Secure Argent Moon. You may deploy when ready.
Affirmative, Infinity. 117 out.
Here you go.
Thanks, Kelly. Everyone ready?
Affirmative.
You good?
Blue team, fall out.
The Envoy are resisting. Throw the Envoy out the airlock.
Repressurization of affected areas completed.
What do we know about Argent Moon?
Only research station. Went dark 19 months ago. Last week, Kigyar scavengers found it and sold the find to Julem Dama's people.
We clear the Covenant and return this station to Oni.
Fastest route to retrieval is to seize central control. Eliminate hostiles between here and there, then deactivate gravity and life support systems.
Ship data center is just ahead. We can pull down Argent Moon schematics there.
Impressive. Looks like they were designing a new stealth class vessel.
They lost years of expensive R&D with this station.
Target is down.
Breaking glass. I like breaking glass.
Hostile contact!
Demon walks among us.
Grenade incoming!
Watch your fire!
go.
Data center.
We've got a complete set of datasec keys for the station. We should be able to pull down Argent Moon schematics and find a path to central control.
Datasec entry accepted.
Access the databanks. Grab the data and current population map.
Should be a straight shot to central control through the assembly bay ahead. There are still prowlers in the hangar bays. Nobody from Oni got out of here alive, did they?
No.
Let's go. Elevator.
Central control's straight across this bay.
Everything's ripped up.
They must be stripping that experimental ship for parts.
Scavengers, taking what supplies they can find. The Covenant's war against the Arbiter must not be going well.
Jul Dama is a lot of things, but he's no prophet.
Most direct route to the shipyard is through the wall ahead.
Let's charge through. Pick up that weapon.
Okay.
Contact. Engage the elite.
Roger that.
Sure. Take that elite.
On it.
Rip your skull off, Roy Pepper!
Area's clear. Hydra here. Take this, Spartan.
Okay. Ready with the Hydra.
an assist.
Chewing me up!
Blue team, I need support. I'm up. You're done.
Nobody's left standing. Let's move on to Central Control.
Central Control is through those doors. Punch her. Blue team, report. Sierra 117 to Blue team, report. Sierra 117, does anyone copy?
Chief. The domain is open. Meridian is next.
Cortana?
John, the reclamation is about to begin.
What's wrong?
She's on Meridian.
Who?
Cortana.
That's not possible.
You said she was gone.
I watched her die. We have a mission to focus on. We can talk about this later. Lights on. Frederick, get us back on course for Central Control.
Bringing up schematics. There's an elevator we can use, but access is 4 levels down.
Mark a path. Hostile contact.
Connected.
Take this weapon.
Sure.
Elites, active camouflage.
Demon, that is ours.
I've got the chief.
Back in it.
I'm hit!
This area is clear. We've reached level 2. Keep moving down.
Chief, what did Cortana say to you?
Not enough. Something about Meridian.
Meridian's a backwater. If she's active, what's she doing so far out on the frontier?
Hunters. They're keeping pace with us. Zealot with an energy sword. I need a hand.
He's charging! Assisting!
I'm up.
Reach level 3. One more level down to the elevator for central control. Covenant BattleNet just lit up.
Covenant ships exiting slip space.
We're outnumbered here, Chief. A few thousand to one.
Surrendering Argent Moon is not an option.
Neither is fighting half the Covenant in close quarters.
Then forget about reaching central control. The plan changes to asset denial. We scuttle the Argent Moon.
Ship's reactor core is near here. Same plan as the Perpetual Devotion?
We overload the reactor at evac. Ship explodes, destroying any ships nearby.
The reactor is below the lab just ahead. We can use air ducts to travel between them. Marking the access panel.
Green 5 clearance accepted. Authorizing entry.
There's chatter about Jul Dharma on Covenant comms. The new arrivals say he's dead.
Somebody cut the head off the Covenant. Bravo.
Hunters.
They're strong, slow. Use the lab equipment to keep above them and out of reach.
Weapons free.
Hunter's down!
Compound asteroid force. Results
System lock.
We almost have
Give me a
it
hand.
here. Sufficient quantity. Liquid LA-58.
Got you stabilized.
Back in it.
Hunter's doing some damage!
On your feet, Linda.
Suit's losing power!
Take this position.
Roger.
Copy.
Hunters down.
The reactor core is just below us. Let's go.
Thanks, Clark.
Schematics show a path to the reactor below here.
Landing system released.
room is just ahead. I can light this fuse and bolt.
No salvage for the Covenant.
Right, let's go.
Reactor controls are on the far side of the room. Eliminate the Covenant forces and get to those controls.
Area's clear. Initiate the overload.
Thanks.
Pick up this weapon.
Okay.
Reactor failsafe disarmed. Failure imminent.
Got it. Reactor's overloading. Move for the hangar bay.
Containment protocol initiated.
Containment?
The station's going to try to cool the reactor.
I guess the UNSC is better reactor safety protocol than the Covenant.
We can stop that. Board the reactor.
Board the reactor?
If it's being moved, we should go with it.
Coolant chamber ready. Stand clear of deployment bay.
The safety systems are set to pump coolant to the reactor.
This whole plan fails if that coolant gets a chance to work.
Shame to lose the Argent Moon, but I'd love to see the look on the Covenant's faces when she goes supernova.
How do we stop it?
There are sheds located on either side of the cooling chamber. Those are our targets.
Reach the control sheds. Get the cooling system offline. Take that Banshee. Get in that Banshee.
Ready to roll.
Take this, Spartan.
Sure.
Take that Banshee.
Heading for the Banshee.
Shades are still closed on those coolant pipes. Find a way to open them.
Get down.
Get ready for some bloody fucking annoy!
Override controls.
Warning. Security shutters disengaged.
Override activated.
Coolant system shutters exposed to open.
Perfect. Coolant system inner workings are exposed.
Eliminate the targets, Blue Team.
Grab Banshees. We can target the pipes more easily from the air.
The Armada's been alerted to our presence. Reinforcements inbound. They're sending phantoms. It's working! Keep firing!
System failing. Reactor core temperature rising. Immediate evacuation advised.
Blue Team, evac now.
Banshees aren't fast enough to get clear of the reactor explosion.
Calling in the Pelican. No signal on autopilot retrieval. Armada must have taken it out.
Frederick, find the nearest hangar bay. We're taking a prowler. There's the hangar entrance.
Prowler's just inside, through an airlock.
This station's about to be slagged. Move to the prowler.
Reactor core temperature has exceeded 1,373 Kelvin. Failure imminent. Immediate evacuation advised.
There's the prowler. More Covenant. Clear them out. Prep for launch.
Do it quick. I'd rather not be here if the station melts out of this.
In effect. Proceed to escape vehicles immediately.
My target is down. Pick up that weapon.
Okay.
Marking the Prowler's control panel.
Launch controls are here.
Vehicle launch preparations initiated. Fuel cells at 0%. Initiating fueling.
Hold off the Covenant while the Prowler preps for launch.
Take this weapon.
Sure.
Take this, Spartan.
Roger.
Prowler fuel cells.
More hunters.
5%. Reactor containment failure. Immediate evacuation advised.
Blue team, on my target.
Okay.
Prowler fuel cells at 50%.
Take that.
Covenant reinforcements inbound!
Prowler fuel cells at 75%.
Linda needs an assist.
Prowler fuel cells at 100%. Launch is primed.
Prowler is ready.
Board now, blue team.
Clear.
Time, Linda.
89 seconds.
Sierra 117 to Infinity. Argent Moon scuttled. I've reassigned blue team. Destination Meridian. Potential contact from Cortana.
Negative 117. Another team is already being prepped to deal with her.
What the hell?
You're to return to Infinity immediately.
Negative Infinity. I don't like it.
Whoever they are, let's get to Meridian before they do.
Kelly, no.
No need to do this by yourself, Chief.
They won't court-martial all of us, right?